Alright, couldn't find a video on this. I have a 2003 Subaru Impreza WRX. Well, actually, 2002. Don't know if that makes a difference. But, as far as I'm aware, all these knuckles are pretty similar in design. So, let me show you what I was working on. Alright, so we have ourselves a steering knuckle. On top of that, the spindle piece here that holds the lug studs on is pressed in, okay, to the knuckle. There's bearings in there, there's seals, and there's a C-clip, okay? But what I was under the impression was that these cannot come out without taking the spindle off. Well, it turns out you can just I really wish I would have known that before I destroyed my ABS wheel speed sensor. But that's why I'm here. I'm here to tell you that you can do it. All you have to do is take the rotor off, caliper, rotor, this brake dust shield. This is what gets in the way. That's why I was like, oh, I can't get it out, guys. But here I am. Whoa. Okay, there's something right here. Whatever. Yeah, quick video. Just want to show that you can do it. So, but now I don't know what to do about this. I'm going to cry myself a river.